Hi everyone, Happy New Year. Hope everybody had wonderful holidays. We are going to start the new year with a super simple soup with lettuce and eggs. Let's get started. I have 2 eggs. And we just need to add a little bit of salt. White pepper powder. You can also use ground black pepper. White pepper powder a little bit lighter. I always use it to season. And just beat the eggs. Okay, set aside. And I have 1 green onion. Always separate white part from the green part, right? And for the lettuce, this is the iceberg lettuce. If you don't have it, you can use Roman lettuce. So to open this, we just give it a hit on the board, like that. Didn't come out. One more time. Come on. Okay, can get the core out. That should be enough. And we just tear into bite size. Simple like that, and we are ready to cook. I'm heating up the pan to medium high. This pan hits pretty hot. My new pan. And let you know how I like it. So far it's good. Hits very well. I'm just add some oil. It's avocado oil. You can use any vegetable oil. When the oil is hot, we're going to make scrumped eggs. Now we're going to add chicken stock, if you have it, or water, if you don't have chicken stock. About 3 cups. This is for 2, right? And we're going to bring this to boil. Now the soup is boiling. Let's add white part of green onions, followed by our lettuce leaves. Give a stir. Cook about 2 minutes, or to your own liking. If you like more crispy or more tender. After 2 minutes, our soup almost ready. Let's just taste it. The chicken stock already has salt, so no salt needed. We finish with some green onions and a little bit white pepper powder. Mix. Simple like that. Our soup is ready. Ready for the soup?
I'm ready. Looks fantastic.
So
Smells
simple.
incredible.
So simple, right?
I love this.
Can it be simpler? I guess not. Cheers
Cheers.
to the new year.
Cheers to the new year. Oh, I love that. It's so simple.
Lettuce just
but
gives the
it's
freshness, right?
perfect. I love it, and the eggs taste so good.
Don't just use the lettuce for salad. Please try for the soup.
Oh, that's great.
Good. So warming, right? Homey.
Everybody's got to have these ingredients. Come on.
Please try to make it. So simple, right? If you like this video, please give us thumbs up, share, and subscribe for more simple recipes. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.